So Elon Musk has shared a very important message for Dogecoin and its holders, and I think this is exactly what every Doge holder should see. So Dogecoin co-founder Markus recently explained that Dogecoin could now be used for tipping, trading, and other purposes. This is because Robinhood users will now be able to embrace decentralization thanks to the Robinhood crypto wallets program. Moreover, Markus shared his experience of sending Dogecoin from his Robinhood wallet for the first time. And we can see here that the transaction fee of sending Dogecoin was only 0.02 Doge. So this shows that Doge holders can now not only send and receive their Dogecoin with freedom, they can also take advantage of lower transaction fees. And the best thing is that Elon Musk has liked this tweet from Markus, and he has obviously appreciated this amazing feature of Dogecoin. And I think that Musk believes that Robinhood wallets will be a huge deal for Dogecoin, since Dogecoin will no longer be viewed as simply a speculative investment by the users of Robinhood. And another very important thing to note here is that this wallet feature makes Dogecoin a truly decentralized crypto. And we know that Robinhood has recently released its long-awaited crypto wallet for beta testing, and it will finally enable crypto users to withdraw cryptos from the platform. And this wallet program by Robinhood will be available for Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum holders. And this is more positive news for Dogecoin because many of Robinhood's traders favor Dogecoin as their coin of choice. And the most important thing is that until now, those who trade cryptos such as Bitcoin and Dogecoin via the Robinhood app have been limited to buying and selling. Robinhood essentially held the crypto on their behalf, giving users exposure to price movements but not really exposure to a decentralized ecosystem where people control their own finances. However, with the new functionality, wallet holders will be able to buy, say, Dogecoin on Robinhood and transfer it to another wallet. So they can swap assets on decentralized exchanges or engage in any number of decentralized finance applications. And for this reason, Robinhood has stated the new feature will fully connect Robinhood crypto holders to the greater blockchain ecosystem for the very first time. And we can see here that this is exactly what Elon Musk had also previously advised to Dogecoin holders. It is a fact that if Dogecoin holders are not getting true ownership of their crypto, then we can say that it is not their coin. And it is also against the decentralized nature of cryptos like Dogecoin. And this is why this new Robinhood wallet feature is very important for Dogecoin holders, because it will provide them with the right ownership over their crypto. And this means that holders will be able to transfer and trade Dogecoin at their own will, and without any hassle. And this is why Markus has shared this appreciation tweet for Dogecoin and Robinhood. And this is exactly why we are now seeing that Elon Musk has liked this tweet. And he is giving a very important message to Doge holders about getting complete ownership of their coins and using it for making transactions without any issue. All in all, this new feature of Robinhood wallets is going to favor Dogecoin holders, and it will not only increase the transactions and utility of Dogecoin, but it will also help Doge to emerge as the best currency on the planet. And we know that this is what Elon Musk expects from Doge. And now, there is another very important update for Dogecoin that I think every holder should see, but I'll come to it later. Let's first see the overall crypto market standings. So we can see here that there are still sideways movements among all cryptos, and it appears that there are now signs of a positive movement for the overall crypto market. But I think that the good thing is that we have not seen any major dump or sell-off in the market. And this shows us that investors are still showing some confidence in cryptos after the recent market-wide sell-off. And talking about investors still showing some confidence in cryptos, we can see here that the extreme fear sentiment in the market is steadily fading away. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index has now moved up to the 29 level, and this is a significant improvement since it was sitting around 24 level the other day. So this is just more evidence that investors are now showing some confidence in cryptos. And this is why I think that things are gradually getting better for the crypto market. So I think that we will be soon seeing a recovery phase from some cryptos. And if Bitcoin, being a leading crypto, manages to move up from here, then we will be seeing other altcoins following its upward trajectory. And I know I have been saying it again and again in my videos, but I think that a bullish outlook for Bitcoin is going to help Doge a lot over the long term. Thanks to its high price correlation with Bitcoin, it is highly likely that if Bitcoin manages to move up from here, then Doge will do the same. And I'd like to point out here this is very important on chain data, so we can't ignore it. And now let's come to Dogecoin's current price movements for a minute. So we can see here that Doge is showing a slight positive momentum. And the thing to note here is that Doge has been refusing to go below this price level. And this is because, as I said, the pressure on the crypto market is now steadily fading away, and investors are now returning to invest in the market. And this is why I think that Dogecoin is now showing some support around this region. And now, as promised, let's come to another very important update for Dogecoin that I think every holder needs to see. So we are now seeing another important, yet quite interesting tweet from Dogecoin co-founder Billy Markus. So Markus posted a meme that states that Bitcoin and Dogecoin are basically the same tech, and I think that he is right. This is because we know that both coins are based on the proof-of-work consensus algorithm. And although Dogecoin was created back in 2013 as a parody of Bitcoin, we know that it has now become a highly utilized and effective currency. However, the only difference is that unlike Bitcoin with its 21 million maximum circulation supply, Dogecoin has no limit in its supply. Initially, the limit of 100 billion coins did exist for Doge, but it was quickly reached by the middle of 2015. And since then, an extra 5 billion coins are added to the circulating supply each year. And this limited supply of Bitcoin is the main reason why people like Mike Novogratz, Anthony Scaramucci, and Robert Kiyosaki believe Bitcoin is a digital analog of gold. And it is a new and more reliable safe haven than gold. And this is why some of these people still believe Dogecoin to be nothing more than a joke. However, we must note here that Dogecoin has people like Elon Musk among its fans. And we know that Musk believes Dogecoin is far more suited for payments than Bitcoin, although Bitcoin was originally created as a peer-to-peer currency independent of governments and banks. And Musk has openly stated that Dogecoin has a higher transaction volume and much lower transaction fees than Bitcoin. And this is why he believes that Dogecoin is fundamentally better than anything he has ever seen. And it is the main reason why Tesla is now accepting Dogecoin payments for its merchandise. And seeing Dogecoin as the best currency for making payments, we know that Musk also wants other firms to adopt Doge. And this is why he recently urged McDonald's to start accepting it. So the point here is that Dogecoin is no longer a meme currency or a joke. And it has now become one of the best currencies that people can use to buy products and services. And this is exactly what makes Dogecoin a better and more reliable crypto than others. And it is also going to help Doge to witness a mass adoption in 2022 and beyond. And with that being said, let's come to some other positive updates for Dogecoin and other cryptos. So according to a recent study by American Banker, the number of banks that provide crypto products and services is predicted to more than double by the end of 2022. The survey's findings indicate that 4% of banking executives anticipate offering some type of crypto assistance and services to customers by the end of this year. Moreover, a third of financial managers anticipate actively managing their clients' crypto portfolios compared to just 13% who already do so. And about 60% of wealth management advisors believe that their customers would grow their crypto holdings or begin investing in cryptos by 2022. In fact, we are already seeing that more and more banks are now providing crypto-related services. For example, Five Star Bank, a New York-based commercial bank, has recently announced that it is going to provide Bitcoin trading and storage services. Customers will be able to do so by using its mobile banking app and online banking platform by the end of the second quarter of 2022. Similarly, Flushing Bank is planning to offer Bitcoin services to its customers. It has partnered with NYDIG to enable its customers to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin on the online banking platform. So these are some massive updates for Bitcoin and other cryptos. And as a result of this acceptance of crypto by major banks, the overall crypto market is going to grow massively in the near future. And the adoption of cryptos by major banks would definitely create a bright future for cryptos. And this is why I think that no matter if the market is down now, its long-term outlook is very bullish. And I'm more bullish on Dogecoin because we have just seen how things are now nicely shaping up for it. So Dogecoin is highly likely to get massive adoption in the future along with a massive surge in its price.